All right, how to create your own Chat GPT. In this video, I'm going to show you step by step how simple it is to create your own Chat GPT. And if you don't know what Chat GPT is, you probably need to get on Google and check it out, or probably reach out to a business. Just message somebody online. 9 times out of 10, it's probably AI that's responding to you. And this just tells you how powerful this platform and this tool is because it can do everything for you. It can answer questions, it can come up with content, it can be your thesauruses, it can be whatever you want. Some of the instances we use it for is if you're looking on my left-hand side, you see we have Market Buddy. So we have our Chat GPT for Forex market, well, trading, period, any markets, reliable, friendly market assistant, blending professionalism with approachability. So you'll see that you can go here and ask any question you want. Give me a good strategy for trading Nas 100 futures. All right, so you can ask this thing anything. And ChatGPT is great because this saves you time. And if you own a business, you're a mentor, you're a coach, you're somebody in a profession has to give a lot of your time to people. This saves you the time of doing it because now you can leverage ChatGPT to help. Here, right here, you're seeing Market Buddy gave us a strategy, right? Trend following, mean reversion, breakout trading, news-based trading, scalping. So you can ask it anything and it'll give you answers. And you don't have to just choose one, right? Like I even went along and cloned myself. Here's a digital clone of Sus Viliano, tech savvy and deeply insightful about technology and entrepreneurship. This is basically me. Honestly, if you reach out to me, you ask me a question, I'm probably in the tech space, probably in the entrepreneurial space, finance space, building things and creating things. So you can come here and ask this Chat GPT anything. A cool thing about this is you can actually copy this link and share it. So others can actually use your Chat GPT. So they can come here as you're seeing the screen and use it. And then in another video, or maybe later on this one, I'll show you how you can connect it to the back end and then use this where people won't even see, that they're using Chat GPT. They'll just think they're talking to somebody or an assistant AI, and it's actually your Chat GPT. And the cool thing about this is it doesn't cost. So anybody can come in here and create one. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to show you how to create your own Chat GPT. Make sure you like, subscribe if this is a video that's on the internet somewhere. If it's not, make sure you show some love to our squad. This is your boy, Sus Viliano, better known as Jamar Johnson when we're talking business, but you know who it is. So first thing I want to do is make sure you have an open AI account. You can't do this without open AI. So I'm going to go to, for most people that don't know, you have to go to platform.openai.com. And here is the front page, right? And you can see everything that can be done with this platform. They can do so much, right? You can text, images, text to speech, vision, speech to text. It has everything you can ever dream of. So you want to make sure you sign up there. And I highly suggest when you sign up, you create a pro account. I think that one is like $19 a month or something along those lines right there. And then once you create an account, well, you can create a free account to start and use ChatGPT. But if you want to build your own, you'll have to have a paid account. So once you do, you'll be able to then go into chat.openai.com and you'll be able to use ChatGPT. So once you're in here and you're ready to build your own ChatGPT, you simply just look on the left-hand side, you'll see Explore, click on Explore, and it will bring up my GPTs. So here you see I have a few of them. I actually just created one recently, only for me, Prompt Pal, professional prompt crafting expert, which basically, oh man, look at this, Business Buddy. 10 plus people are using this. 20 plus people are using it. Oh man, I didn't even know it. Go ahead, Market Buddy. Getting some love. Man, this is pretty cool. All right, anyways, I got sidetracked that fast. But also what you can see is if you want to get ideas about Chat GPTs, you can come down here and see other ones that are built. Dolly is awesome for images. If you ever need to create content visual, you can use Dolly for that. They have some for data analysis. They have some for creative writing coaches. But honestly, you can build your own version of this. But if you want to use one that's already built, you can come here and scroll down and see what they have, and they'll always be adding more. And if you hear my messenger in the background, that's just my little assistant that's here. But I'll keep recording this. He's waving at me. Thank you. I'll be right out, okay? All right. So sorry about that. What you want to do is click on create a GPT right at the top. So I'm going to click on create a GPT. And then 1 second. Once you get to GPT, you see on the left-hand side, GPT Builder. Says, hi, I help you build a new GPT. You can say something like, make a creative who helps generate visuals for new products, or make a software engineer who helps format my code. What would you like to make? So T, you actually going to be the example. We'll make a version of yours right now, and then you can come back and do the same for yourself. So let's give me an example. What kind of GPT would we want to make? She may be tied up back there, so I'll wait a few for her to respond. If I don't see anything come, then I'll just go ahead and create one. In five, four, three, two, one. Oh, there's a chat. Let's see what she said. Let's do something simple like copywriting. All right, what would you like to make? A copywriting GPT. All right, and then it'll say updating GPT. So it'll start taking that information and it'll ask you the questions to pretty much build out your bot for you. There you'll start to see on the right-hand side a preview of it. I'm a copywriting assistant here to craft engaging and creative text for your needs. Write an ad for a new tech gadget. Compose an email for a product launch. Create a catchy slogan for a fitness brand. These are just examples. It's not the only thing it does. But you'll see it on the right-hand side start to build itself out. How about we name this GPT Creative Wordsmith? Does this sound good to you? Now, if you wanted your own name, cool. I'm just going to say yes for right now so I can continue to keep going on. And I'm going to click yes. So now it's loading up, generating profile pic. It'll create an image. You're going to see the image change right here. And then once the image change, it'll ask you if the image is okay or if you want to upload your own. Well, that's pretty cool. Yeah, that's actually pretty cool. Colorful pop art background. Do you like it or would you like to make any changes? And if you want to make any changes, you can make suggestions. You can say, hey, I want to make this with just a basic black background or, however. Now let's refine the context of Creative Wordsmith. What specific types of copyright tasks should it focus on? For example, should it specialize in production descriptions, or product descriptions, advertising, slogans, social media content, or something else? Love, love the logo. I want it to specialize in all. Look, T just typed all. I already know where you was going, T. I saw that. All right. So let's see what it does. And you'll keep seeing everything change over here. As you're seeing, the little suggestions are changing and updating themselves. Great. Creative Wordsmith is now set up to specialize in a wide range of copywriting tasks. Now let's talk about the tone and personality of Creative Wordsmith. How should it interact with users? Should it be formal, friendly, witty, or something else? It should be witty. Okay. Tiana says witty. Okay. Oh, I said it should witty. But they know what I was saying. And then in real time, you guys are seeing this wrench pretty much create the bot. Now let's consider any specific guidelines or boundaries for Creative Wordsmith. Are there certain topics or styling of writing it should avoid? For instance, should it steer clear of controversial topics or maintain a certain level of professionalism in its responses? It should always be professional. Be professional and respectful, but honest. GPT builder is updating that. And as you see, this just keeps changing things on this side, right? As the words come in, and it'll keep fine tuning itself as you answer these questions. Creative Wordsmith is now set up to be a professional, respectful, and honest while still maintaining its witty charm. Would you like to test out the Creative Wordsmith in the playground? You can give it a try in a prompt and see how it responds. Also, I'm here to listen to any refinements you have for the GPT. What would you like to do next? So you go over here now. Write me a email and SMS campaign for, I know T owns a life insurance business, for my life insurance agency where we help people get life insurance. All right. And T, if you got any example you want me to try here, it'll do it. But as you're seeing, look, boom, GPT done. Here's the subject: email campaign, secure your family's future today with your agency's name, life insurance. Now you can always tell them your agency name and say, include my name in here. Actually, I'm going to do that so you can see. Um, please. Okay, no, I see health and wellness, holistic healing. That's what Tiana wants. Please do the same for my health and wellness holistic healing company named uh Queen D's place to be. Oh, transfer. All right, I'll put that in. I'm sorry. Subject: embrace holistic wellness at Queen T's place to be. Dear, and then put their name. Yes, spell it that way. Okay. Got you. Hold on. Warm greetings from Queen T's place to be. In today's fast-paced world, taking a moment to focus on your health and wellness is more important than ever. That's why we're here to guide you on a journey of holistic healing and complete well-being. Why choose holistic healing? Mind, body. Look, I mean, I don't even have to go over all this, guys. You see what's happening right here. Here's a message. Here's after a positive response. Here's a follow-up. Now you can get as detailed as you want it. Please replace the name with transformative. Boom, there it is. Oh, and it corrected it. It spelled it the right way. So we may have to say, yo, spell it that way exactly, because she wanted the E in it. Please spell it as I typed it. I know it's spelled differently, but that is how our company name is spelled. And I'll put it in parentheses again, even though it's AI, he knows or it knows what I'm talking about. Boom, there it is. So there's your Chat GPT. So after you tested it, you made sure everything was good, right? What would you like to do next? Nothing. It's perfect. So you can just come over here and basically say you're done. Um, And then that's it. So if you ever need to configure it, right here on the left-hand side, you see create, you see configure. You can always come click configure. You can change the name, change the image, change the description. Here's the instructions that ChatGPT created. One thing you can do is you could take all of this and go over here and have it take these instructions and improve it. You can build your bot this way, or you can just always come and create and update it that way. The conversation starters, if you want to change those or add those, you can do that right here, right inside configure. And if you have anything you want to feed it, right? Like knowledge, this is what I like files and data and things like that. You simply can come here and upload the files so your GPT can have access. Then you can control the capabilities. If you wanted to browse the web, if you wanted to be able to create images, if you wanted to be a code interpreter, which lets your GPT run code. When enabled, your GPT can analyze data, work with your files you've uploaded, do math, and so much more. So I highly suggest you probably check all of those. And then if you want a new action, you can click create a new action. And this is, I actually haven't done too much with this, but this is more for like developers that are good with coding and adding things in. So yeah, this is pretty much it for the configuration. Once you have this the way you want, you simply can go up here to the right hand side and you see save. You can publish to only you. You can publish to anyone with the link, or you can publish for everyone in the world to have access to. So totally up to you. Because this was a demonstration, I really don't care who gets access to it. I'm going to click for everyone. And then I'm going to click confirm. And then boom, that's it. So now you have a Chat GPT. You can come in here, you can copy the link right where it's at the name, right where the arrow goes down, click copy link. And you can share it. If you want to edit it, you can edit it. Information about, you want to start a new chat, everything. You want to hide it from the sidebar, all of that can happen right here. So that's it. That's how simple it is to come in here, create your own Chat GPT, and then utilize it. In the next video, what I'll do is I'll actually show you some back-end ways that we have Chat GPT working for us automatically. We have it responding to Facebook messengers. We have it responding to Discord. We even have it. I mean, there's sky's the limit. It's inside of our apps for people to ask it questions. So Chat GPT is super powerful. It's really the limitations are in your mind, what you can do with it. So T, does this help? Did this actually show you what to do? Coach Co, I know you're on here as well. Was this pretty simple, or did you guys have any questions before I end the recording?
It was pretty simple and straightforward and easy.
Okay, okay, yeah, and again, you can come in here and make as many chat bots as you want. I highly suggest you come in here and uh, you actually do it, as often as possible because I mean, I didn't even look in here. 20 plus people were in here. Yes, this is dope. In the recording, she said. All right. With that being said, the recording is ended. I'm going to go ahead and stop. I hope this video was informative. I hope you learned how to build your own Chat GPT. And with that being said, this is your boy Sus Filiano, better known as Jamar Johnson, when we're talking business. And I'll see you guys at the top because the bottom's way too crowded. Have a great day.